have a new product. This is from a company that's called
Amrita.
Amrita.
Yeah, it's A-M-R-I-T-A.
Amrita. Okay, a company called Amrita. They reached out to us and said, would you please try our products? So we said, sure. And we got it. And they sent out this great box with all these goodies in it. I mean, a lot. Look what they sent out. Including, get a nice picture of that. And they sent us out, what do we love to review around here?
That's so 2017.
Bars. Nourish your passion. This company was founded in 2012. Oh, he processed these snacks for his son, who was diagnosed with autism at an early age. All these are gluten-free, dairy-free, soy-free, and high in fiber. All right, this is apple cinnamon. This is an energy bar, apple cinnamon. We're going to try the energy bar. And this is a protein bar, 15 grams of protein. This is sunflower and jelly.
Sunflower butter and jelly.
Sunflower butter and jelly. All right, so we're going to try the pineapple chia minis. Unwrapped. Okay. First impression is they're moist. They smell good. I like these. Did you like that?
Yeah, it was a little sweet on the end, but I think it was just because of the pineapple.
It's got to be because they don't add sugar to it.
It's like that. It kind of has a candied pineapple taste to it, which is good. It tasted really good.
Organic date paste is the first ingredient.
Oh, that's the date is sweet.
And that's what make it really sweet. Want to try this before we hit the bars?
Yeah.
All right. This is the dark chocolate quinoa minis.
If this didn't have the quinoa in it, which adds like the crunchiness, it would taste just like
a brownie,
like a super dark chocolate brownie.
Yeah, that's very good. That was excellent. All right, 2 out of 2.
It's starting better than last week's review.
2 out of 2. All right. Yeah.
See, it says what it is on the package.
Yes.
It is what it is on the package, and it still tastes good.
We have the protein bar, energy bar. Which one do you want to try first? Apple cinnamon or sunflower butter? Apple cinnamon. This is the energy bar.
Looks like it's got sparkles in it. Look at it really close.
Mmm.
You see that?
Yeah,
it
does.
It's got sparkles.
Yes.
You know what this reminds me of?
Apples.
Well, my first thought was it kind of reminds me of the best bar ever.
Yes.
Because it's got the apple chunks in it, just like that bar has.
It reminds me of apple cobbler.
No, well, what I was gonna say, the cinnamon reminds me of Irish potatoes.
Oh yeah, that's right.
And kind of the consistency when you stick it, it almost has a consistency of coconut shreds.
Yeah. This is delicious. Well, I'm not going to eat all of it, because if I did, I'd be eating all of it. All right. That was funny, wasn't it? So now we have the protein bar. That's good.
I'm not into it as much as the other one, but it is decent. And I think what saves them, their company, and like all their food, is the fact that there's so much moisture.
Okay.
Go ahead.
So we got off camera here for a second to check all the ingredients. We didn't want to bore you guys with it. Even though we can't find any reference to it being vegan, there's no vegan, what is it?
Like the vegan, the label.
There's nothing in their ingredients that a vegan could not eat. So I'm going to go on a limb here and say this is good for vegans. Rate these items?
Sure.
I'm going to give it a collective salute.
Okay, go ahead.
I'm going to give it a 10 out of 10. Because raw ingredients, minimum processed, organic stuff, healthy, all the good stuff you're looking for. There isn't anything bad in any of these ingredients, but what's the most important factor?
They're healthy?
No, the other one. It
tastes good.
It tastes good.
Oh.
This stuff tastes good.
Yeah, I was surprised. I went into this thinking that it was going to be bad.
Well, we've had such bad luck.
Well, I thought the cookies weren't going to be good.
But they were.
What are the minis? I didn't think, because they always end up being dry.
Okay, so I'm going to go on a limb and say I'm hiding half this stuff so I can get my share.
You make it seem like I'm the monster that's always eating everything out of the cabinet.
Well, no, but it is difficult to share when somebody has the same exact eating habits of you.
I always ask before I take. You don't.
And I always take before I ask.
Exactly.
So that's the yin and the yang. That's what balances out everything. If you got to the end of this video, thank you very much. On behalf of the voice behind the camera and myself, we thank you. Don't forget, hit that like button, subscribe.